Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 12 Steps, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your employee account in Paycom. Now just follow the steps that I will show you on this video and then you can log into your employee account as well. First of all, open up your Google browser and then go onto your search bar and just type for Paycom Employee Login and hit on enter. After you do so, many results will be on your screen. Click on the first link that pops up. After you do so, it will take you to the official website of Paycom, and here on the right side of your screen you can see a login button. If you hover your mouse over the login, you can see these options pop up. Now click on employee and this will take you to a different page where now you need to input your credentials in order to log into your employee account. Just input your username, your password and last 4 digits of your SSN or your PIN. But in case you forgot your username or password, you can use this button right down here, forgot username or forgot password, to help you reset and retrieve it. Or you want to use a single sign in, you can use this button, use single sign on, to help you with that. Now just input your username and password and also the last 4 digits of your SSN or your PIN, and after you do so, just click on login and then you'll be logged in into your employee account on Paycom. And that's how you can log in into your Paycom employee account. This was for this video and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.